You are a visitor. They say there is some of amount of money is missing in their house and it's first time. You know that you can be confused as a visitor. You can search everywhere. Even you want to go back at your home, but you can't go back without that money being found. So you can search everywhere to try everywhere you at your means to find that money, but you can't find that money. You know that you can be confused because at end of the day they will end up talking about you that you are the one who stole that money, because they say it's the first time. So maybe they don't want to say to you directly that maybe you took that money or what, you understand it. So sometimes you can be confused, guys, as a visitor. There is money is missing and it's the first time that money is missing, so they start blaming you. Maybe they don't know how to told you. So sometimes to visit people's home, guys, or to sleep at people's houses, you say I visit. Nowadays, guys, I think it's not necessary, because you can be blamed, guys, with some of the things you don't do, you understand. So you can't leave that house. You are the one, you are the visitor now who is searching the whole house because of the money, and you can't leave their house without finding that money, because they will end up saying maybe you leave, or maybe you don't want them to know that you are the one who took the money.